10-column worksheet. Income statement, balance sheet, statement of changes in owner's equity, closing entries, post-closing trial balance. Problem. F. Kotrama started its operations on January 2020 and prepares its financial statements on a quarterly basis. Adjusting and closing entries are also prepared at the end of each quarter. The external auditor, C. Corpus and Company CPA, has prepared the trial balance before adjustments during the first quarter of 2020, which is given below. Unadjusted trial balance, March 31, 2020, cash in bank 98,110, debit, accounts receivable 32,000, debit, furniture and fixtures 125,000, debit, accounts payable 17,000, credit. C. Kotrama Capital 318,700, C. Kotrama Drawings 12,000, debit, sales 850,120, credit, sales returns and allowances 4,000, debit, sales discounts 5,000, debit, purchases 850,000, debit, purchase returns and allowances 3,200, credit, freight in 2,000, debit, freight out 4,210, debit, tax and licenses 5,000, debit, rent expense 34,000, debit, salaries expense 3,000, debit, insurance expense 10,000, debit, miscellaneous expense 5,000, debit, total debits 1,189,320, total credits 1,189,320. Data for adjustments. Morehan inventory March 31 is 277,000. B. Estimated uncollectible accounts should be provided at 5% of credit sales. Credit sales is equal to 52,000. C. Furniture and fixtures has an estimated life of 5 years. It was acquired on January 1, 2020. D. Insurance premium is good for 6 months period only. Effective January 1, 2020. Requirements: 1. Prepare 10-column worksheet. 2. Income statement. 3. Balance sheet. 4. Statement of changes in owner's equity. 5. Closing entries. 6. Post-closing trial balance. Solution. 10-column worksheet. Account titles: unadjusted trial balance debit credit, adjustments, adjusted number debit credit, adjusted trial balance debit credit, income statement debit credit, balance sheet debit credit. First, the given trial balance, unadjusted trial balance is put here. Cash in bank 98,110, debit, accounts receivable 32,000, debit, allowances bad and doubtful debts nil, furniture and fixtures 125,000, debit, accounts payable 17,000, credit, capital 318,700, credit, drawings 12,000, debit, sales 850,420, credit, sales returns and allowances 4,000, debit, sales discounts 5,000, debit, purchases 850,000, debit, purchase and allowances returns 3,200, freight in 2,000, freight out 4,210, tax and licenses 5,000, rent expense 34,000, salaries expense 3,000, insurance expense 10,000, miscellaneous expense 5,000. Total debits 1,189,320, total credits 1,189,320. The adjustments: allowance bad and doubtful debt allowances, credit 2,600, prepaid insurance debit 5,000, merchandise inventory asset 277,000, accumulated depreciation on furniture 6,250, credit, merchandise inventory trading credit 277,000, insurance expense credit 5,000, bad debts debit 2,600, depreciation on furniture and fixture 6,250, total debits of adjustments 290,850, total credit of adjustments 290,850. Adjusted trial balance: debit, cash in bank 98,110, debit, accounts receivable 32,000, debit, allowances bad and doubtful debts 2,600, credit, prepaid insurance 5,000, debit, merchandise inventory asset 277,000, debit, furniture and fixtures 125,000, debit, accumulated depreciation on furniture 6,250, credit. Accounts payable 17,000 credit. Capital 318,700 credit. Drawings 12,000 debit. Sales 850 420. Sales returns and allowances 4,000 debit. Sales discounts 5,000 debit. Merchandise inventory trading 277,000 credit. Purchases 850,000 debit. Purchase returns 3,200 credit. Freight in 2,000 debit. Freight out 4,210 debit. Taxes and licenses 5,000 debit. Rent expense 34,000 debit. Salaries expense 3,000 debit. Insurance expense 5,000 debit. Miscellaneous expenses 5,000 debit. Bad debts 2,600 debit. Depreciation furniture and fixtures 6,250 debit. Total debits of adjusted trial balance 1,475,170. Total credits of adjusted trial balance 1,475,170. Now income statement. Sales 850,420. Sales returns and allowances 4,000 debit. Sales discounts 5,000 debit. Merchandise inventory trading 277,000 credit. Purchases 850,000 debit. Purchase returns and allowances 3,200 credit. Freight in 2,000 debit. Freight out 4,210 debit. Taxes and licenses 5,000 debit. Rent expense 34,000 debit. Salaries expense 3,000 debit. Insurance expense 5,000 debit. Miscellaneous expense 5,000 debit. Bad debts 2,600 debit. Depreciation on furniture and fixtures 6,250. Income summary. Profit 204,560. Total debits 1,130,620. Total credits 1,130,620. Balance sheet. Debit, credit. Cash in bank 98,110 debit. Accounts receivable 32,000 debit. Allowance for bad and doubtful debts 2,600 credit. Prepaid insurance 5,000 debit. Merchandise inventory asset 277,000 debit. Furniture and fixtures 125,000 debit. Accumulated depreciation on furniture 6,250 credit. Accounts payable 17,000 credit. Capital 318,700 credit. Drawings 12,000 debit. Income summary. Profit 204,560 credit. Total debits 549,110. Total credits 549,110. Answer 2. Income statement for the period ended March 31, 2020. On the credit side, sales 850,420, less returns and allowances. Sales returns 4,000. Sales discounts less 5,000. Net sales 841,420. Merchandise inventory closing stock 277,000. Total credits 1,118,420. On the debit side, purchases 850,000 less purchase returns minus 3,200. Net purchases 846,800. Freight in 2,000. Gross profit carried down 269,620. Again, gas profit brought down 269,620 on the debit side. Freight out 4,210. Taxes and liabilities 5,000. Rent expense 34,000. Salaries expense 3,000. Insurance expense 5,000. Miscellaneous expense 5,000. Bad debts 2,600. Depreciation on furniture and fixtures 6,250. Net profit 204,560. Total debits of profit and loss account 269,620. Credit side 216,620. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. On the asset side, current assets, cash in bank 9,810. Accounts receivable 32,000. Allowance for bad and doubtful debts minus 2,600. Net receivable 29,400. Prepaid insurance 5,000. Merchandise inventory 277,000. Total current assets 409,510. non-current assets, furniture and fixtures 125,000 less accumulated depreciation on furniture and fixtures minus 6,250. Net furniture 118,750. Total non-current assets 118,750. Total assets 528,260. Total assets 528,260. On the other side, liabilities, current liabilities, accounts payable 17,000. Total liabilities 17,000. Owner's equity, capital 318,700. Drawings less drawings 12,000. Add net profit 204,560. Total owner's equity 511,260. Total liabilities and owner's equity 528,260. Statement of changes in owner's equity for the period ended March 31, 2020. Owner's equity, capital 318,700, less drawings 12,000, add net profit 204,560. Total owner's equity 511,260. Closing entries for the period ended March 31, 2020. Entry 1. Sales debit 854.20. Purchase returns and allowances debit 3,200. Merchandise inventory debit 277,000. Income summary credit 1,136.20. Being the credit balances and income transferred to income summary account. Income summary account debit 926,060. Purchases credit 850,000. Sales returns and allowances credit 4,000. Sales discounts credit 5,000. Write in credit 2,000. Write out credit 4,210. Taxes and licenses credit 5,000. Rent expense credit 34,000. Salaries expense credit 3,000. Insurance expense credit 5,000. Miscellaneous expense credit 5,000. Bad debts credit 2,600. Depreciation on furniture and fixtures credit 6,250. Being the debit balances and expenses transferred to income summary account. Income summary debit 204,560. Capital account credit 204,560. Being the net income transferred to capital account. Capital account debit 12,000. Drawings account credit 12,000. Being the drawings transferred to capital account. Post-closing trial balance for the period ended March 31, 2020. Debit credit account titles. Cash in bank 98,110. Accounts receivable 32,000. Allowance or bad and doubtful debts 2,600 credit. Prepaid insurance 5,000 debit. Merchandise inventory asset 277,000 debit. Furniture and fixtures 125,000 debit. Accumulated depreciation on furniture and fixtures 6,250 credit. Accounts payable 17,000 credit. Owner's capital 511,260. Total debits 537,110. Total credits 537,110. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.